Kakching District Election Officer Amadi Deputy Commissioner na Deputy Commissioner Office Complex Kakching Conference Hall da Media Person SINGDA Electoral Roll 2026 ki Special Intensive Revision matung ina Press Briefing ama PANGTHOKHREE Paumi SINGDA thamlakhiba gi matung ina DEO DC Angeline Renita R IAS na haiki madudi Election Commission of India ge directive matung ina Electoral Roll gi Special Intensive Revision hore amasung July ama lisingani kun po qualifying date oina lauki revision adugi matung ina objective aduna eligible voter pumnamak Electoral Roll da yauhallaga ineligible voters singbu Electoral Roll dagi laukthoknaba ni haina makha taki mahakna haiki Madudi Kakching District da Housing Register Elector Lak Amaga Lising Trampanka Chaniga Humpulay Amasung Masi Assembly Constituency Mari 36 Wabagai 37 Kakching 38 Hianglam Amasung 39 Suknu Sing Yauribani Haina Fongki District adu the polling station Chamaga Nifuhumdoi Amasung revision process adugi damakta BLO Chamaga Nifuhumdoi Amasung BLO Supervisor Taratret Thakre
Directed by the Election Commission of India, we have started the special intensive revision in our Kakching district. The objective of the special intensive revision is include all the eligible voters and then exclude all the ineligible voters. So in Kakching district, we have around 1,19,260 registered electors across the 4 assembly constituencies, and we have identified 143 polling stations. And we have appointed 143 booth level officers under the supervision of 70 BLO supervisors. Between the 20th May to 29th May, we have completed our training, printing of the materials, and then preparation has been concluded. Now we are in the phase of house to house visit by our booth level officers. This is going between 30th May to 28th June. So in this phase, we are appealing to all the political parties, all the eligible voters, all the citizens and other stakeholders of the districts to kindly coordinate and cooperate with our election officials and district administrations. After this, we are planning to have the rationalization of the polling station on 28th June 2026, and the publication of the draft electoral roll will be released on July 5th. That is a draft copy, and after that we will be giving a due opportunity of being heard to all the electors. Those who want to file in objections and claims, they can file it till 4th August 2026. All the objections and then claims will be properly heard and then disposed by September 2nd 2026, and after that the final publication of the electoral roll will be released on September 6, 2026. In this regard, if common public, electors and political parties and other stakeholders, if you are having any doubts or clarification, you are always welcome to the room number A43 DC Office Complex, Kakching, and you can also call helpline number 19550. So we are happy to help you out, and we are expecting your cooperation for the fair publishing of the electoral roll for the Kakching district. Thank you.